In this video, we are going to make $500 per trade. And this updated strategy is recommended by one of my YouTube subscriber who have made a comment in one of my strategy video, and it was working for him, and I made some test and it was working for me also. That's why I decided to make this video. So if you have any useful tips or strategy that is working for you at the real time or in your real account, then do make some comments below this video, and if it is useful, I'll make sure to make a dedicated video in that topic to help other people. So this strategy is very simple. We are going to use the parabolic SAR strategy. So simply implement the parabolic SAR indicator and make all of this currency pair that has over 90% payout. Okay, if you make this starch yellow by clicking on it, all of this currency pair will appear at here. Once you do this much, just click on these candles, and we used to use S5 as our candle. Now you make these candles as S10. Okay, and your trading time frame should also be of S10. So you can just click on this plus and make it 10 seconds and decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So as you can see here, one dot have formed. Okay, in second dot we are going to make a trade by clicking on buy. So this strategy is very simple. Whenever the parabolic SAR dots are forming below the candles, then that means it is an uptrend, and whenever the second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher, the way we made at here. Similarly, if the parabolic SAR dots are above the candle and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. So you can just click on this currency pair and find the appropriate place where you can make the trade. Just keep on clicking on this currency pair. So sometimes it can be a little bit hard for you to find the entry point, but as you can see here, it was also one signal. If you had made sell trade at here, then you could have made profit in that trade. So in this way you can find the different currency pair. Here you can see we have got another entry point. Now not all of your trades are going to go right, few trades may go wrong. Okay, but you need to be able to test this strategy in your demo account at the real time. Okay, whenever you are thinking to trade in your real account, at that time just switch to your demo account and make some test, and if it is working for maximum of the time, then do use it in your real account at that exact time. As I have told you in the beginning of the video, this strategy was recommended by one of my YouTube subscriber, and I made some tests and it was working at this real time. So that's why I decided to make this video to inform you, and I hope this video will help you to take good decision while you are making trade. And also, if you want to copy my trade by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this YouTube video. Just click on it and join my free Telegram channel and see the instructions there. Once you follow that instruction, you are going to be able to copy my trades easily in your pocket option account. Now once you make two trades right in a row, now always make your mindset, whenever there is one loss, I will stop trading, because that will end you in profit. Okay, but if you keep on trading and do not stop, then you may incur the loss. So we'll also do the same thing at here. Okay, we'll try to find out the video sorry we'll try to find out more currency pair, more entry points where we can make the trade, and if we make one loss, we'll stop trading. Here you can see there was one dot already. Okay, and second dot was about to form, so we made a trade by clicking on lower, because the dots are forming above the candles, so that means it is a downtrend. So of course we have made profit in this trade also. So we'll keep on continuing to make trade. Now if you have noticed properly, this is a non-edited video. I haven't edited any part of this video. Okay, I'm just continuously making, so you can see the fair result of this strategy. So let's keep on finding more place where we can make the trade. Here you can see, if you had made trade at here, you would have made profit in this trade also. So do like this video. I'll keep on searching for another entry point, and if we make one loss, then we will stop trading for today. So there you can see one dot, second dot I have found, but it was a little bit delayed. Okay, we made trade a little bit late, but anyway we made loss in this trade. Now what I'll do is I'll stop trading for today, and we have made a total profit of $870 with this simple strategy. But you can do money management by yourself also. Now I also want you to see my another video where I have shown you making trade in 5-second time frame with this exact strategy, and how I was able to turn my $10 into $2,500 by making 13 trades right in a row. I guess 13 trade was there. Yeah, do watch that video. It will appear anywhere at the screen. It is appearing anywhere at the screen right here.